Hi, Amors. Hi, YouTubers. This is our morning glory, and I decided to do something a little different. When I wake up in the morning, I usually turn on all my lights in my living room and my candles, and just have a nice, peaceful morning. I have been looking for different quotes to bring to you, and I came across this one that was really inspirational, and it reflects on the year that we've been going through. So many people have lost loved ones, including myself. People that was in my life are no longer here after this crisis. What we'll do is sit back and relax and give praise for what we have. Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. It simply means I'll miss you until we meet again. This mug says coffee with a side of brunch, so I'll be making tea with a side of morning brunch. If you're not a part of my Amor family, subscribe now and let's get started. First, let's toast 2 slices of bread, and then I'm going to add to this some avocado salsa. I came across this jar and I wanted to try this. I made some homemade tuna that I also will be putting on this easy and simple morning brunch sandwich. Now, I don't have an avocado salsa recipe, but I'll try to look one up, and I'm sure I have my homemade tuna recipe that I'll list both down below. Now, you have other options to add to this, like pickles and hard-boiled eggs, lettuce, and tomatoes. With the 2 slices of toast, we put avocado salsa on one side, and on the other slice of toast, we're going to put tuna on that side. Then we're going to bring both together. And that completes our morning sandwich for this brunch. Now I'm going to slice this in half, and then I'm going to start putting together my morning glory setup with my tray. I went to Dollar Tree the other day and I came across this pretty tray they now have, and I couldn't wait to try to decorate this. And several other items I have in my collection. This artichoke and rose teapot. I want to show you all this. And I'll be adding this to my setup. And then in this I'll be putting my ginger and honey tea, green tea. Also for my collection, I'll be adding this dish here and my spoon holder from my collection, which I'll bring it back and introduce you when I do a whole table escape. Okay, so let's add some more items to this tray. Some more goodies to eat to really bring this morning brunch together. So I added some more strawberries and grapes and peaches, sliced peaches. Okay, time to make my tea, my ginger and honey tea, and with a mixture of green tea. Those are the 2 combinations I'll be using this morning. And then I'll also have a side glass of water and lime. Okay, so it's all set up and ready. And I also picked up some of my favorite cookies from the dollar store. The shortbread cookies. If you haven't tried them, you got to try them. They're so great for a morning coffee or tea. And there you have it. I'll set up for this morning glory. And let me know, did you like how I put this Dollar Tree tray together? Comment down below and let me know. I hope you enjoy watching me bring this all together. And you will take the time to make your own morning glory. Coming up is latest videos you may have missed, a morning glory, and also one of my high-end DIYs. So they'll be linked down below. Thank you, Amores. Be safe and be blessed.